Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCAR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Absolutely crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. I did this analysis several days ago. I don't remember exactly when, but that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, neither of these lines are relevant anymore. Sure, they pertain. They're just not relevant. And I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So I just want to, we'll use these levels for, kind of the current levels of support and resistance. First off, resistance-wise, nothing complicated behind this at all other than the fact that the party finally stopped today during that final 30 minutes up there at 636. I know post-market, the price has been up above that area, but that's the tricky part because you still have all of, after hours, post-market, and then you have pre-market tomorrow on Wednesday. So where does this ultimately open up? I don't know. So I'm just going to, play it as is right now and just call, 635-ish, that initial area of resistance. The good news is, assuming there's no gap downs, the price has to travel a very small distance before it can start to do battle with that level once again. So keep an eye on that. As far as levels of support are concerned, the ideal level going forward, if you say, hey, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest would be if the price can stay above 525. However, taking a step back and looking at all of this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 525 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, great momentum today. And yeah, let's just see if the bulls can continue to build upon this movement or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.